Hi, Samanvi. Hi, guys. How are you all? Hey, Lakshmita, what are you doing in school, ma? Prince, what are you doing in school? And Jay, what are you doing in school?
We're starting transformations.
Studying transformations. Okay.
We're about to take our test on.
What is that, ma?
We're about to take our test on linear systems.
Oh, linear systems. Okay. Okay, that is for whom? Oh, Lakshmita. Okay. Okay. Linear systems. Okay. For you, you're going to start transformations, Ajay.
Yeah,
But have we not discussed that here? I don't
we
know.
have. It's pretty easy.
Easy. Okay, that's good. Then we'll move on with whatever we are doing. Avyukt, what are you doing in school?
Right now we're
Fatima, are you okay?
I forgot. I'll tell you later.
Okay, you forgot. Okay. No worries. Okay, let's go ahead. Prisha, what are you doing in school? Okay, we did correlation, causation, and linear systems, right?
We're doing quadratic and exponential functions, and we're doing like domain and range for them.
Oh my goodness, Prisha. Each teacher is going in their own ways, I feel. Okay, scatter plots, trend lines, linear modeling, linear systems we did. Okay, I was thinking of doing inequalities. We didn't do inequalities, right? Did we? Have we done inequalities? Yes, Avyukt. Go ahead and tell me, Avyukt.
So we were learning about using a graphing table, elimination, substitution to find the intersection of two systems.
So that was easy, right?
Yeah, that's easy.
It's easy, okay. But you know what? I really wanted to. Let's see. I'll give you a couple of questions first. Answer that. Let's see where we are on that. Okay. Causation, correlation, whatever we have done is enough. Okay. If you're given a table, do you know how to find the regression coefficient? Do you know how to find the line equation as well? Regression, trend line equation as well, right? Okay, that was all we covered. Okay. Okay, wait. Let me ask you a quick question. Let me review this and then I'll move on, okay? Okay. Then what? Okay, let's see this one. How about this? You are going to tell me the answer to this, okay? Meaning, I really want you to come up with equations for this one, okay? Nothing else. Meaning, you're not going to solve this, but come up with equations for this. Can we try that? It's just a review, ma. Whatever we have learned, and you're going to take a test, right? So before that, this is just a review. Can you do that? See and tell me. did I give you? Turkeys and sheep. Yeah, just send the answer to me in standard form. Just send the answer of both the equations in standard form. Oh, good, Prisha. Yep. You know how to solve it, ma? I'm assuming you know how to solve it, right? Skills, you can do it at home. I feel I don't want. Okay. Yeah, let's see this one. I'll revise maybe 3 or 4 questions and then you can take care. Yeah, Lakshmita. Samanvi, good job. Prince, nice work. I really want equations from Jay, Vikyat. Do you get it? Can I go? Akshita, correct, ma. Vikyat, correct. Jay, can I get your answer? Okay. Can I get your answer, Jay?
Yeah.
This one, right? Give the equation and answer. Send me the equation as well as the answer. Did we start with inequalities?
I don't think we did.
Okay, you don't. Which one? J, that is correct. Not really, J. Okay, J, let me help you here. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and work this out. Jay, I want you to listen. Here, a farm raises sheep and turkeys. Always see, a farm raises sheep and turkeys. S equal to sheep, T equal to turkeys. Let me put that down. Number of sheep, number of turkeys. After this, see, together if they have 60 heads means sheep plus turkey is equal to 60, right? Jay?
Yeah.
And then legs, how to find out the number of legs? If suppose there are sheeps, right, how many legs will be there? If suppose there is one sheep, how many legs are there?
4 legs.
4 legs. If there are 2 sheeps, how many legs?
8 legs.
8 legs. What is the relation between this and this? So because of sheeps, let's say there are sheeps, how many legs will be there? What is the relation between input and output? Times
Times 4.
4. So S means times 4 means 4S. So the number of legs for sheep is 4S. The number of legs for turkey is what? T is the number of turkeys.
2T.
2T. Good job. So that will be equal to 164. So these two are the equations. How will you solve? One way is eliminating, right? Multiply by 2 the first equation. You get 164s plus 2t equal to 164. Subtract both the equations. Minus 2s equal to minus 4. See, minus 2s. You are subtracting. Here you are subtracting. Minus 4, s is equal to 2. So number of sheep is 2. Does that make sense? Jay, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now can we try this one? A bag holds dimes and nickels. There are dimes and nickels means number of, see there are 72 coins. See, let the number of dimes be D and be the number of nickels. So the total number of coins is 72, you get one equation. Then how to find the worth of dimes, how to find the worth of nickels? That will be equal to $4.90. Give both the equation and find out D and T values and then send it to me. Decimal, if you get decimals, you can always change it by multiple. Prisha, that's right. I can help, guys. Please tell me where are you needing help. I'll help. That is right, Prince. What is the first equation then? Samanvi, first equation is right. Slowly get the first equation first. Jay, you can get me the first equation. Vikyat, you can get me the first equation. Lakshmita, you're not answering. You're not on the video. I really want you to be on the video. Yes, ma?
Miss Priya, I already sent the first equation to you.
Oh, I didn't see. Sorry.
Miss Priya, is it in standard form, right?
It is, yeah, standard form is easier for me to check.
Okay.
Lakshmita, video is compulsory, ma. I cannot let you continue without video, ma. I have already told in email so many times, and we have had several bad experiences without videos. You can switch on the video and come back. I'm okay for you logging off and then logging in. Lakshmita.
Yeah, let me try again, Miss Priya.
Yes, please. Avyuk, that's correct. Would you be able to solve that, Avyuk? Prince,
Yeah.
both the equations are correct. Jay, I'll help. So, here a bag holds dimes and nickels, right? Okay. Dime, the total number of coins is 72. Suppose, let's say, first define your variables. Number of dimes is D. Number of nickels is N. Jay, can you help me now? How to find out the total number of coins from these two, Jay?
72 overall, so like
Correct, ma. So what will be the equation? What will be the equation here?
D
See, number of
plus N equals
yeah,
72.
D plus yes, N equal to 72. Make sense?
Oh, that's it? Oh.
Yeah,
I
that's it. And
didn't
see, the second equation should have this. But how to find their worth? Let me find out a table. Let me go with a table, okay? Number of dimes and value. First dimes I need to calculate. Then I will calculate for nickel. Each dime, let's say I have one dime. What is the value? 0.1. 0.10, right? 10 cents. 2 dimes means what is the value?
20 cents.
Yep, 2 times 0.10. Let's do it like that. 3 dimes means 3 times 0.10, right? Now there are D dimes means,
D times 0.
yeah, D times 0.10. But if there is a variable, if there is a letter, I'll always write it later. 0.1 D, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So because of dimes, the value was 0.1 D. Because of nickels, what is the value then? Try to come up with the value. If there are n nickels, what is the value?
0.5 D.
Yeah, 0.
5 N, I mean.
0.05
Oh yeah.
will
N.
be equal to 4.90. That is how you come up with. Now, I really hate to see this decimals because I can't work with decimals personally. So I would never want it to be decimal. So multiply each term, whatever is separated by plus, minus, equal to, everything is a term. So I'll multiply everything by 100. If you multiply this by 100, this becomes 10D, this becomes 5N, this becomes 490. Nice equations you get. And then you have D plus N equal to 72. Do you know how to solve this? Do you all know how to solve this? Multiply by 10 in the second equation. Then subtract both the equations. 5N minus 10N is minus 5N. Will be equal to 490 minus 720 is what? Minus 230. So, N will be equal to 230 by 5. 46. N is 46. Good job, Akshita. Nickels is 46, right, Avyukt?
Yeah, I did the last step wrong, sorry.
Okay, no problem in getting it wrong, but understand where you went wrong, that's all. Johan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Nidhi, are you following what we are doing? You just logged in, right?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, good. Can I go ahead and give you one more of this? I really want you to be able to solve any equation given to you. That's the intent, okay? So maybe one more. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Yeah, how about this? This is the last one, okay? This is the last one. Then I really want to move on. Try, guys.
You want us to solve for N and H too, right?
Yes, ma.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. N
Do you have
plus.
do you have to show all their steps?
At least the equations, Dhruv, please.
Oh,
Just the
okay.
equations. At least just the equations.
Miss Priya, in my first equation, I meant to put 0.50 instead of and I meant to put 0.50, my first one.
You meant, okay. I'll check command. 26, 46. Oh, this is okay. Akshita. Akshita, nice to see your answers, Akshita. 0.15, yeah, Prisha. Yeah, ma Prisha, I think you have got a hang of it. Very nice, Jay.
Thank you.
But 0.1. Oh yeah, that's right. Good job, Jay. First equation is as well right. Okay, I think you got a hang of it. Great. Okay. Prince. Nickel is okay. Yeah, nickel. Oh, the correct Anna. J then J. Nickel and $50, right? What is the worth of a nickel?
10 cent. Oh wait, no. Oh shoot.
You got it? No
Yeah.
problem. Just correct it. That's all. Okay. No, I thought yours was right as well when I looked through. So when I'm checking another answer, I went back. Hey, Vikya, is it 50? It's 0.5, right?
That's what I told you.
Oh, that's
It's
what you
0.5.
said. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, you all got it right. So I think, Nidhi, you didn't send, right, ma?
Yeah, I'm still doing it.
Okay, I'm wait. No, just send the equation at least. Dhruv also didn't send. You don't
I
make me call out.
finished.
I don't mean to call you out at all.
I finished. I was just typing in my equations
Okay,
because they were really long. So
Send it. Yeah, Jay, that's correct. Jay, now you understood, huh? See, don't have decimals, okay? Just multiply everything by 10 or 100. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I guess.
Make yourself comfortable with the equations. Yeah, Avyukt, it's 9.15, huh? Why 915? It's 9.15, right?
Yeah, I think that's right.
Okay. Hey, I have set up a 40 question test on correlation, causation, and linear systems. Okay, please take your time to do. Okay,
wait,
during this.
I'm confused. Like I'm getting a decimal, and you can't have a decimal of a coin.
That's true. Oh, the answer you're getting a decimal.
Yeah.
What are the equations you got?
N plus h equals 28, and 0.05 n plus 0.5 h equals 9.15.
Yeah, what I'm saying is, yeah, correct. But here, as a person, I don't want to work with decimals at all. It's so confusing. So what I would do is multiply by 10, multiply every term by 10, make it nice and neat. 5n plus 50h equal to 915. Did you get that?
Wait, 0.05
wait.
times 10.
100. Multiply by 100.
Oh, okay, thank
Did
you.
you get it?
Yeah.
And then this equation multiply by 5. Now subtract both the equations. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So now h will be 775 by 45. Simplify now. 9 will go. 8 9s are 72. No, it doesn't go. Yeah, I don't know how. Well, let's see. 5 9s are 45. 5 1s are 5. 2 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 25. Yeah. Yeah. Something feels wrong to me. Hold on, let me see. Maybe I gave you incorrectly. There's no way. You know what? I should not have asked you to solve this. Which equation? Yeah. See, I didn't mean for you to solve this at all. You don't need to solve. That's fine. As long as you get the equation, I'm happy. Can we move on? This.
Yeah.
What the others are getting? I don't think everybody's getting a decimal value, right, for H.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
so don't worry. The intent, see, the question is just which equation represents a value. Yeah, ma?
Miss Priya, may I go to the restroom?
Please go. Please go, come back quickly. Whenever you go, don't switch off your video. I won't call upon you. Just put a message for sure. Okay. So let us go ahead. Can I go ahead or should I be doing more of this? Huh?
I couldn't send the answer because I got disconnected.
Okay. You know now?
I got disconnected, but yeah, I know what it is.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Wait. I want to know what other questions I gave you in the test as well. I don't want you to feel about the test being hard, but at the same time, oh yeah, this one I don't think you guys will be able to solve. Let me see. This one is a challenge question, okay? Let's see. This one is a challenge question, but before that, I really want to know whether you guys can solve. Let's see. How about this? Speed equal to distance by time. You all know that, right? We've studied that in 7th grade. So let me see how you do this. Do you know? Meaning, see guys, if you don't know, does not matter. I just want to know whether you can tackle this. It's a challenge question, 100%. Do you think you can tackle or just message me? I just want to know. I'm not looking for you to answer. Just tell me whether you can or cannot. So that we don't waste time, we can move on. I will explain. Lakshmita, you're not answering as well, ma. That worries me. Lakshmita.
I'm still trying to solve it.
Oh yeah, you are answering. Okay. Last question, I have your answer, ma. Okay. Do you have it? Will you be able to tackle this or shall I explain?
Could you explain this one?
Can I wait, could we just try it and then
Okay, try. Yes,
explain
Guru.
it?
Yeah, I agree. Okay, for those of you who need inputs, right, I can give some inputs. Okay, remember this, guys, the water is flowing like this. Okay, you're on a boat standing. Canoe travels 48 if it wants to travel up, there is a speed of the boat. Okay, but the speed of the boat, the water is falling down, right? There is a speed of the water as well. Water has speed, boat has speed. Now if you go up, let's say speed of water is SW, SB. If you have these two operating together, it's always hard practically. When you go up, what happens to the speed? Your boat wants to push up, the water wants to push you down. You see? So the speed reduces. Speed of the boat, you cannot travel at the speed of the boat. Basically, it has to reduce. You see? Speed of the water is what you say the speed of the current. Okay, so you need to account for the speed of water as well. It is pushing you down, so that needs to be subtracted. So the speed with which you can go up is SB minus SW. You got it? Suppose speed of boat is B, speed of current is C. The speed with which you can go up is B minus C. Now, if you're traveling down, let's say you're traveling down, what happens to the speed? Both the speeds are pushing you down. So what happens? you get a super bumper, right? So the speed would be b plus c. Make sense? When you go up, it will be b minus c. Am I making sense or not? Okay, now guys, this type of problems, right, when you have speed, distance, time, I'll always put a table, speed, distance, time. Okay, 48 miles upstream, this is up, this is down, both the distance is the same. The distance is the same for both, 48, 48, right? Time taken downstream is 3, upstream is 6, right? Right? Am I making sense? So, now the speed when you go up is b minus c, speed when coming down is b plus c. Make sense? So, there is a table, nice table telling you all the details, correct? Now, you all know how to find out speed. Speed equal to distance by time, right? So, 48 by 6, the first line tells you the first equation. 48 by 6 equal to b minus c. The second equation tells you b plus c equal to 48 by 3. Make sense, guys? So, you have two equations that tell you b minus c equal to 8, b plus c equal to what? 16, right? Add both the equations. 2b will be equal to 24, b will be equal to 12. What is b? Speed of the boat is 12. If the speed of the boat is 12, this is 12, right? This is 12, 12, right? This is 8. So, 12 minus what is 8? 12 minus 4. So, the current speed is 4 miles per hour. Make sense, guys? How many of you did not understand? Please raise your hand using raise hand button. I am happy to explain again. I am just asking, is there anybody who did not understand? Raise your hand using the raise hand button. This is a difficult problem, I tell you. But if you didn't understand, please raise your hand. I am happy to be explaining once more. But if you don't raise, I'll just move on.
So
Yeah.
So then what's the answer?
Okay. Okay. So we went ahead and constructed a table. Speed, distance, time. Up was b minus c, down was b plus c. Always remember, b is speed of boat, c is speed of current. So when you go up, it's b. So that also I tabulated so that I am clear with what I know. Now with this, I have to have two variables and two equations for me to solve. I have to solve for c, correct? I know speed equal to distance by time. This is the major equation I always use when there is speed, distance, time. When you look at this problem, so how to calculate speed? Distance by time. Distance by time gives you the first equation. Again, distance by time gives you the second equation. So you have two equations. Now you can solve in any method for B and C. So by solving these two equations, we got C equal to 4 miles per hour.
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
I was just double checking my work.
Yeah, but you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, how about this? You know what? I want to solve something else. Give me a minute. I want to solve one more type of speed distance problem. You guys should know, okay, when you're doing algebra, I would really want you to try properly, okay, meaning get these questions, meaning try to form equations. Equations are hard in these problems, so try to draw the table, speed, distance, time, speed, distance, time. Something will be equal. The distance either will be equal or the time taken will be given clearly for the entire trip. See? Here what is common? He is driving to the warehouse and returning. So what is common? On both the trip, what is common?
The distance.
Yeah, the distance, and distance is given clearly. So when you draw that table, right, you'll get everything out of it. Fill in the table, speed, distance, time. Distance is clearly 200. On return, I'll put two things. So if you draw this table, you will never make mistakes at all. You will yourself understand. See, he drives for 4 hours onward, 5 hours return. Please, but the unit should be the same, Amma. That is so important. Now, what you don't know? You don't know the speed. That's so easy, guys. This one was a very easy problem. That's what, when you put the table only, it becomes so easy. It's not even an algebra problem on this one. Hey, good job, Dhruv. So clear explanation on that upstream, downstream. Summon V. Nice. Guys, do you understand how to do this now? Just find out the speed, 200 by 4, 200 by 5, because distance by time is always speed, right? So these are called speed, distance, time problems. They will not go this far in school for sure, because algebra 2 you will do a lot of this. Is it 10 miles per hour? Ma? How 10 miles per hour? Avyukt. Oh yeah. Answer. Correct. 10 miles per hour is the difference, yes. Okay. Then let's go ahead and try this one. This is very similar to upstream, downstream. Meaning here as well you have two different speeds operating. Okay, these are things, these are words you should know. Meaning English words, sometimes we don't know. Do you all know what a tailwind is? Okay, when a plane is flying, let's say this is my plane. Okay, I can't draw a plane and all. Okay, this is my plane. Okay, now the plane flies this side means the wind is on the tail. So what happens, you think? Will it push you forward or pull you back? I always call the tailwind as T, right? Speed of the plane as P. When it goes this side, when there is tailwind, it's P plus T. Okay, suppose sometimes you may have headwind. That, let's say, that wind speed. Anyway, wind speed is, let me call it as wind speed, W. Okay, common, right? When you have a headwind, it is plane speed minus wind speed. When you have a tailwind, it is P plus W, because both are pushing you forward. You have to know those basic things, meaning it's really contextual. Okay, when a plane has a tailwind, it will also push you together. When the plane has headwind, it'll not allow the plane to fly that direction, right? So you have to subtract the speeds. Can we try this one? They're asking for the plane speed, that's all. Guys, if you're not getting a raise, doesn't matter, right? These are all new types of problems which you're trying to do. I don't know the answer. Let me see. Otherwise, I'll solve on the board. Avyukt and Prisha, I think that's right. Oh, thank you, Avyukt, for adding the units. Units are important. Dhruv, correct. If you're stuck, let me know, guys. This is the time you can learn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't understand.
I'll help you. What I'm saying is, plane is flying 900 miles. This path is 900 miles, okay? Plane at, okay. I'm not looking at you, so fully solving, at least understand the concept will be very useful for algebra 2. Akshita, good job, ma. Vikyat, very nice. So, this plane is traveling from here till this point, okay? It is traveling 900 miles. Plane will be traveling at a speed of p, okay? They are saying there is a tailwind. The plane is traveling at p speed. Let's say it is traveling at 5 km per hour. There is a tailwind, means the wind is also blowing at 2 km per hour. Then the plane, it will be easy for the plane to travel, right? Because the wind is also pushing the plane in the same direction. Tailwind means 5 plus 2. Make sense? So the entire speed becomes 5 plus 2. But you don't have those numbers in here. You just have letters. So when it travels with the tailwind, the speed becomes p plus w. Make sense? The return trip, this takes 1.5 hours. Now, the return trip against the wind, when the speed was p minus w, the return trip took 2 hours. These are all a lot of data to keep in your brain. So, you know, for speed, distance, time problem, I will draw a table. Okay, onward, return. Onward, there is a tailwind. What was the speed? I will put this in the table format, p plus w. Return is p minus w. How much time it took? 2 hours, 1.5 hours. Distance is exactly the same, 900, 900. Did you see, ma? Nidhi, did you get it till here?
Yeah.
Now, what is the relation between speed, distance and time? Speed equal to distance by time. So, this you can form equations using distance equal to speed times time. Speed times time. You see 1.5 times p plus w will be equal to 900. Hey, wait, let me write it properly. Or I can say, let me write it properly. Speed times time will be equal to distance, right? So 900 will be 1.5 times p plus w. Similarly, 900 will be equal to 2 times p minus w. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now you can use distributive property 1.5p plus 1.5w. 2p minus 2w. Did you get it? Now do you know how to solve this?
Yeah.
Yep, that's it. Answer was, p was, I think, 525 miles per hour. Make sense? That's it. Okay, they won't go this far, but it's good to know. Let's see. Yeah, I wanted to check your answer, right? Yes, that is correct. 525 miles per hour is correct. Can I move on? Hey, Jay, did you get that? Jay and Vikyat, were you able to follow, or shall we
Yeah.
do one more problem?
I got you.
Okay.
I was able to follow. I showed you my answer and I got it right.
Oh, okay. But if you didn't get it, still you can just say I didn't get it. Absolutely
Okay.
fine. I'll go over once more. Anybody. It's not just for you. Okay. Now, oh yeah, this is a good one. Why don't you try this one? Last one. That's all. After this, I'm going to go, guys. See, and okay, do this one. Let's see. More, nalla more. Nice to see your answer, Lakshmita. See, solving these problems in a way will help with your standardized test more than your school based algebra. Makes sense? So that's why we try to solve these. When you try your PSAT, maybe some of you are in 8th grade now or 7th grade, but when you go to your 9th and attempt PSAT, these things will become handy. Even if you have not done your algebra 2, this will become handy. I just want to cover inequalities 100% today whatsoever. Let's see. I feel like I did inequalities. Did we not do inequalities at all? I don't remember. I have to check. After inequalities, we go to rational exponents. Akshita, that's right. Dhruv, that's right. Prisha, that's right. Avyuk, that's right. I think you guys are good now. Someone we correct. Jay, nice. Very nice. Lakshmita, very nice. Anybody has any... Nidhi, should I wait for you, ma? Prince, did you get it?
I sent it, Miss Priya.
Sorry, ma, I didn't say... Oh, yeah. You have sent it just now. Good, ma. Prince, did you get it?
Not really.
Not really. I'll do it again. Okay. I'll just draw a table, speed, distance, time. Okay. Because see, driving, hours. When I see this, I'll always do speed, distance, time. Driving to the city, driving home. So to city, that's one way. To home, another way. Okay. I'll put this table like this. Driving to city. The first row I'm going to fill now. Takes 2 hours. 55 miles per hour is the speed. So let me put the units down as well. This is miles. I filled it in. Distance I don't know. That's what I need to find out. So I'll put a letter there. But to home takes 2.5 hours. Oh, but they have not given the... Nothing they have given. Okay. So how to do this? I know speed equal to distance by time. How to calculate distance is speed times time. So 55 times 2 is the distance. You see? That itself tells you. That's it. You don't even need the second one. Did you get it? Prince, did you get that?
I think so.
Yeah, this question was very simple. Didn't even want you to fill the second row. Can I go ahead? Okay. Now, I really want you to be able to solve inequalities so that before the break, I want to complete 11. Yeah, I really want to complete 11.12 before the break. It's always like that. Every year we complete that 11.12 before the break. Then only we'll be on pace for our EOC. Okay. So let's see how to do. How about this? Inequalities. Let's go ahead and try this one. I'll show you one. Linear inequalities. You have to solve both graphically as well as you have to solve graphically. First we'll solve graphically. Algebraically I'll show you. Okay, it's all one and the same. But the greatest part is getting the sign correct. When you write the equation, getting the sign correct is the best thing. Here, set of linear equations you are solving till now. Okay, set of linear equations you are solving. We have inequality signs now, so we say this is system of inequalities. Now, if I have this sort of equation, I can never graph. Okay, I don't want this sort of an equation. This is in standard form, right? But I'll always want a format. Slope intercept form is my key. I will change it to slope intercept form, then only it is very easy for us to graph. Okay, how to graph this? I'm going to change it first. Subtract x. Okay, let me first write down. Subtract x on both sides. 3y is greater than minus x plus 3. Divide by 3 on both sides. Y is greater than minus 1x by 3 plus 1. Any questions? Okay, I got this. Okay, now coming to the second equation. Minus x plus y is less than or equal to 6. Again, I can't plot this. I have to move. I have to have y on the left side. The rest of it should go. Plus x, y is less than or equal to 6. Any questions still here? Okay, now as usual, however you will graph it, right? Usually you will graph a line, right? Think of this as y equal to minus x by 3 plus 1. However you graph it, meaning I immediately what I want to do, I'll put x equal to 0. What will be the value of y? 0, 1. I got a point. 0, 1, this is a point on the line. The next thing I put y, I'll always do this. Y equal to 0 I put in. Then I will try to find out the value of x. So x by 3 equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 3. So minus 3, 0 is another point. So my line is like this. But this is the best part. Inequalities, y is greater than, that means there is no equal to sign here. So if there is no equal to sign, the line has to be a dashed line. The line has to be a dashed line since there is no equal to sign. That means any point on the line will not be a solution to this inequality. Any point on the line does not obey this inequality. That's why you are drawing the line as a dashed line. Now here y is greater than, that means what? Look at your y-axis. Okay, this is your line. This is your minus 1 by 3 x plus 1 line. Okay, but they are saying your favorable region is what? The y value whichever is greater than, means y value above the line is what is required. You need to color it like this. Okay, so any point here in the shaded area will work for this inequality, will obey this inequality. Any point on the line will not work for this inequality because there is no equal to sign. Now let me move on to my second inequality. Again, here I want to graph it quickly, right? X equal to 0, y equal to 6. So 0, 6. Second one is put y equal to 0. So x will be equal to what? Minus 6. So minus 6, 0. 0, 6. Okay, and then minus 6, 0. Oh, those two are the points. Really? Am I doing it correct, guys? Did you see any mistake? What is the mistake? What was the mistake? Who can find out the mistake? I see the mistake. What was the mistake? What was the mistake? There was a mistake in either of the way I did. What was the mistake? You can find out as well, right?
Y equal to?
There is but here itself there was a mistake. Let's take it as a challenge. What was the mistake? There is a mistake in the way I did the graph. First of all, this clearly has a negative slope. Can the line go up ever? There is a super mistake there. You see, as soon as I sanity check, there is a negative slope, but the line is going up for me. The red line is the black color shading and the red line are incorrect. First, let me see what is the problem on that. Okay, now I'm going to take off the dots as well. The dots, I think I made a mistake on the xy axis. Let's see. Now I put x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, y equal to 1, that point is correct actually. 0, 1. Let me put it in red. That is correct, but what is the other point? If I put 0 in here, minus
Oh,
x
I
by
know,
3.
I know.
What is it, ma?
So what you have to subtract 1 and put it to the 0, and then you multiply -3, and then that makes a +3.
Yes, correct. It's not minus 3. Good job. So 3, 0, right? The line was like this. The dotted line was like this. Any questions? Nice. Now let's move on to the second line. Second line was correct actually. But before that, I want you to be able to shade, right? What does it say? Look at the y-axis. Y value greater than the line is given. So I'll shade this part. Now for the second line, it tells me y is less than equal to is there. So I can draw the line thick, meaning any point on the line as well will work for that inequality. Now, but where to shade? Look at the y-axis only. Y less than that line. You see here? Any questions? Now, how to find out the solution? What is the overlapping part? You need to look at the overlapping part. Any point on this line, it's a thick line. So, any point on the line will work. This is a dotted line. Remember, any point on this line won't work. Okay. Or any point within this region will all obey the system of inequality. Make sense? Does that make sense? Do you know how to graph it in a calculator? You know, you don't know. You can say, right? Do you know how to graph the system in a calculator?
No.
No.
Okay. But do you understand how to graph it here with your hand? Yes, no, there are two different answers. Keeping quiet doesn't help at all. It's just delaying the class. Tell me whether you got it or not. No?
I got it.
Yeah, got it.
Got it, huh? Okay. So then let's go to the calculator, okay? I just want you to have, otherwise I can write it again. Wait, let me see. Let me share I want to share the TA84. I hope you all have calculators now. I don't know, but if you don't have, you have to use this. Okay. You know, I'm going to go to y equal to, you're all with me, please use the calculator and do. Afterwards you will not know what to do, where to go. Because this is what happens every year, right? Once you don't, even if you don't have the calculator, go to that website, ti84calc.com, and do whatever you have to do, then you'll remember. So the equation was this. I'm going to do this. Now, I'm going to see here, you cannot type inequalities, right guys? Do you see there's only an equal to sign? That's the biggest problem in this calculator, right? But you have greater than sign. Do you see? You have greater than sign. So you know what to do. Greater than sign means use this button, the left button. See, go to that blinking blue bar line. Press enter. Don't change the color. You don't need to change the color now. But the line, right? Since there is no equal to sign, it has to be a dashed line, right? So why don't we make a change? First of all, it has to be a dashed line and greater than is given. see here, whatsoever changing to slope intercept form is your duty. Nobody is going to do that for you, okay, because y, the format is as well y on the left side, right? So 3y greater than 3 minus x, y greater than 1 minus x by 3 is your duty to change it. Nobody is going to change it for you. Second equation, y is less than or equal to 6 plus x. This change you have to make. But how to type it in? First equation says y is greater than. Greater than means it has to be first a dotted line, right? Let's see how to make it a dotted line. See, it's a dotted line. Do you see? Yep, you want a dotted line, right? I would go ahead and choose the triangle first. Greater than means above the line. So the upper triangle, see what I have chosen. Then I'll say okay, okay. Now coming to this, let me type that in. Y 1 minus x by 3, right? So I'll write it out as 1 minus x divided by, oh my god, what I am doing. 1, I'll type it in here, 1 minus parenthesis x divided by 3. I don't know how to delete. Maybe, yes, you got it. X is greater than is shown by that triangle on the left side, upper triangle. Coming to the second one, you can yourself meddle and see. I'll go to the second equation. Y is less than or equal to. Again, I don't know how to do this, right? So go to the leftmost, click enter. Don't change the color of the color, let it be different. But the line has to be less than or equal to, right? So how it should be? See here, see the triangle. The line, whatever is below should be shaded. So bottom triangle. Okay, enter, enter. Now I'm going to type the inequality for this. 6 plus x, right? 6 plus x, I'll type it from here. Any questions? Graph. Got it, guys? Is that good? The overlapping region, any point in the overlapping region will obey both the inequality. But please be careful. One thing what you need to understand is here there is a greater than symbol. The one that has a negative slope, right? The one that has a negative slope, this is this line. Okay, I'll put it in one color. Okay, that line, right, is a dotted line. Please remember, this is a dotted line. So points on the line are not solutions. When you think about this line, this is a thick line. Points on the line definitely will solve both the inequalities. And any point in this overlapping region is your solution. Makes sense? Any point. Any questions here? Johan, you have the calculator with you now?
I'm using the digital one. I'm gonna get one soon.
Yeah. Get it, ma. Then only it is useful. Okay. Otherwise, I'll never advocate something that costs more than $100 unnecessarily. It is worth it. You will have to carry it for your SAT, ACT exams in your 11th grade. So till more than that, it will be useful. So get it and get used to these functions. Otherwise, how will you know in the exam? How will you know, oh, which button where? You won't know anything. You have to keep using it for 1-2 years, then only you'll know. So it's better to buy it now than later. Did you get it? Okay, now how to solve this algebraically? Algebraically, similar, okay, this is just like an equation, right? So here, x plus 3y is greater than 3 minus x plus y is less than or equal to 6. It's very similar to an equation. Now you already see the coefficient of these two are equal. So add both. Oh, yeah, add both. How do you add both? Okay, let's see. 4y is equal to, you are adding both. Do you have to do that? Let me see. Yeah, graphing is good, I feel. you can graph using a calculator and get your answers. Yes, graphing and getting it is the best way. Okay, you don't need to do algebraically. Let me make sure, guys. Yep, you don't need to do it algebraically. Graphing, if you know using a calculator, you can use a calculator for this one. There'll be multiple solutions, right? So you need to be aware. So any point within this region is a solution. We'll go ahead and solve one more. Let's see. How about this? Okay, how about this, ma? 3, you're going to do 3x plus y is less than or equal to 1. Y is greater than 2 by 3x minus 2. See, the pain part is to type this equation into the calculator. Please have a parenthesis here. Otherwise, you'll make mistakes. Wherever the equation seems weird, have a parenthesis. You won't make mistakes. Okay, now what I want you to do is here. I want to understand whether 0, minus 8 is a solution or not, number 1. And I also want to know minus 8, 0 is a solution or not. Okay, you can say this is A, this is B. A, yes or no, B, yes or no. That's the only thing I want from you. If it's difficult, you have to raise up immediately. If you have no idea how to do it, then that's fine, I'll do it.
Miss Priya,
Yes, go ahead.
I'm not able to see the equation.
Sorry, yes. Go ahead. I'll not change it. Go ahead. Let me know whether it's a solution or not. This week, maybe your homework will be in the your homework, I'm going to give it to you in the book only. Jay, I have a question for you. Have you solved linear systems word problems at school?
I don't know. I forgot.
Okay. Vikyat might not have solved.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer?
Nidhi, have you solved linear equations at school?
Yeah.
Meaning, no, I didn't mean to ask you linear systems, ma. Have you solved word problems in school?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Okay.
Miss Priya, can I rejoin? Because my screen isn't loading.
Oh, sure, ma. Sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, good, Samanvi. I think you all got it. Okay. Akshita got it. Nice. So, did you use your calculators? Samanvi, did you use your calculator?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good.
Do you mind saying the points? Because I don't know why, but my screen is just black. Like I tried rejoining, but it's not working.
Oh, is it
Never
okay
mind,
now?
it works
Okay,
now.
just one minute, wait. Do you see it now?
Yeah, I see it now. I don't know why it was all
Illa, what are
earlier.
you seeing? Tell me. You're seeing the
Now I
TLT
can
code?
see the it says the calculator, and I can see the writing on it too.
Now
Yeah.
you see the calculator screen or just the blank?
Now I see your new tab, but
Okay, okay, makes sense. Go ahead.
yeah,
Okay, it was
sorry
my
about that.
bad then.
No, you're good.
Go ahead. Nidhi is the answer. Nidhi, how did you get that, ma?
When I
Can I
gra-
see your can I see your graph somehow? No, yes. Lakshmita correct. Jay correct. Avyukt correct. Illi Nidhi, somewhere something is not right, ma. Can you tell me?
I'll do it again. Wait 1 second.
I can help you. Meaning, did you type it in the calculator?
Yeah.
Can you show me? I'll help you.
Well, I don't have my physical one here with me right now, so I did it on my phone, and the thing restarted, so I don't have the things I wrote anymore.
Oh, you don't have the calculator with you?
I do have it, but it's not in the room with me right now.
Oh, I see. Can you go to this website ta84calc.com on the laptop?
Okay.
That is the alternative, ma. I do understand, but always bring the calculator is my humble request.
I have it open.
Done, na? Okay, then I want you to do 1 or 2 word problems if possible. Let me see. Yeah, at least 1 word problem. Then we can call it a day. Let's see. Graphing linear inequalities. Modeling. Okay. Yeah, I really want you to model linear systems. Yeah. We'll do 1 word problem and then I'll let you go. Oh, I see. Okay, otherwise we'll stop. Already we are off time, I feel. Okay. Johan, not really, right, Johan? Can you show me your graph? Okay, maybe next week we will continue. I didn't see the time at all. Johan, show me what you got. Something feels wrong. But I hope all of you got how to draw how to plot inequalities. Yes, ma?
Which one is wrong?
A is wrong.
Mm.
Can you check and tell me? Meaning, I really want you to get it.
Oh. Okay. I'll
Okay, maybe otherwise I'll draw. I will put it on the calculator so you can see as well, if that helps. Y is 1 minus 3x, right? So we'll go to delete. Oh my god. 1 minus 3x and then y is greater than, but here y is less than or equal to, so I need to change my the triangle. Y is less than or equal to, how to change that? Y is less than or equal to, okay, that's good. So that is good. Second one is y is greater than 2 by 3x minus 2. Y is greater than, then I need to change that too. Y is greater than means here, yeah, that's correct. Y is greater than or equal to 2 by 3x minus 2, right? So let me clear it off. As I said, see guys, when you put 2 by 3x, you have to be careful. 2x by 3. This is a common mistake that everybody. Oh my god, what did I do? 2. Okay, 2x by 3. 2x divided by 3. Okay, and then minus 2, right? Yeah, now graph it. What did I do? I know what I did. Y is greater than. So I did not save this. Oh my gosh. Y is greater than. Greater than means triangle up and then come to OK, click. Okay, then graph it, it'll work. Make sense, guys? So, Johan, here 0, comma minus 8.
Oh, I know what I did wrong.
Okay, good. If that is the case, I'll leave. I rely on you. But if you still didn't get it, ask. Everybody got the answer, huh? This is no, this is yes. Any questions? Take. If you don't have questions, we'll log off. See you next week. Sorry, I took a lot of your time. I didn't see the time.
Bye.
Bye,
Miss
guys.
Priya.
Bye, guys.